Don't forget to check that all accessories are present and in good condition before starting. 1. Align the holes on the left lower legs 7 and 7 to 1 with the holes on the bottom panel 6. Then attach one M6 by 12 bolt into each hole. Tighten the bolt by hand. To repeat the same procedure to assemble the right lower legs 16 and 161, and go back to tighten all the bolts with screwdriver provided. Insert the wheel axle 8 into the holes of left lower legs, then attach 1 flat washer B, 1 wheel 9 and 1 M8 nut C onto both ends of the wheel axle. 2. Hold one nut with one wrench and tighten the other nut with another wrench. Then repeat the same procedure to tighten the nut just held. 3. Attach the wheel caps 10 onto both ends of wheel axle. Insert the lower legs into upper legs 3. Align the holes on upper legs and lower legs. Align the holes on the top of upper of the front panel with the holes on the connected front legs. Then insert one M6 by 50 bolt D into each hole and lock each bolt with one M6 nut F. 2. Align the holes on the bottom of front panel 15 with the holes on bottom of the front legs. Then insert one M6 by 12 bolt into each hole, then tighten the bolts. 3. Insert one M6 by 50 bolt D into each hole of the connected back legs and lock each bolt with one M6 nut F. 1. Place the grill upside down as shown. 2. Align the holes on the legs and with the holes on the left and right side shelves 14, 13, insert M6 by 12 bolt into each hole. Then tighten with screwdriver. Align the holes of body assembly 2 and leg tube. Insert M6 by 50 bolt D to the bottom for holes first. Then insert M6 by 50 bolt D to the top for holes. Tighten with screwdriver. 1. Assemble the bottle opener 18 with M5 by 12 screws. 1. Install heat shields 12 over main burners. 2. Place cooking grid 11 over heat shields. 3. Install warming rack 1 as the figure shows. Insert the grease pan 5 from the back of the grill. 2. Hook the grease cup holder 17 on the grease pan. 3. Put the grease cup 4 on the grease cup holder. 1. Put the gas tank sold separately on the tank support. 2. Connect the regulator to the tank by turning it clockwise. 3. Screw the retainer wire L until secured. Installation complete. You're ready to start grilling delicious food.